welcome back to another video with us, the Magnemites, Simon and Andy.
Hello.
We're here at Send again for another magnet fishing video. Water's looking quite murky today, so unlike the last couple of times we've been here, we can't actually see too much, so who knows what we'll find. Andy, got anything to say?
Hello.
Just hello, is it?
Yeah, nothing much. Well, we got a bullet last time.
Yeah,
So
we
let's see
did
if
find a
get-
bullet last time.
let's see if we get good.
Make sure you look at that video. We'll link it into this video,
Sure.
be in the description below.
Or above.
Well, we can put it above up too. If you point that side. Yeah, we'll put it up there somewhere.
Cool.
Hope you enjoyed the video. See you at the end. Oh, let's see what we find. Oh, don't tease.
Oh,
That would be good if we did. The gun to go with that bullet we found last time.
I know.
That would be good.
That was crazy. It's just a, don't worry,
It's just a bolt.
just a Navy bolt thing. You don't know what we do for a living. It's true, no one knows what we
Actually, no one does know.
And
what
no
we
one
do.
will know.
No one will know, no.
No.
We're not telling anyone what we do for a living. Trust me, it isn't YouTube.
You make it so weird. Why? You're just a, a sinister, no one needs to know, and then you made it like, oh, it's not YouTube friendly. You know what, it's not even like that
What's
dark.
that? Just a piece of metal.
Scrap!
I think you're slapping that in there quite well today.
You made that sound weird. Oh, that got really heavy then.
That just means you was on something.
You know, I'm ever so nervous ever since that bomb was found.
Oh, don't be like that.
That's all I can think about.
We're pulling up blanks, so don't worry about finding a mine.
Man, all those other times we're pulling loads and loads. And now we're pulling barely any.
Well, we'll just work back towards that bridge in a bit.
Oh, we are. Ready?
Yeah, I haven't stopped yet.
That's why I wear the other gloves.
It get
Rope
caught.
burn.
Rope burn.
Rope burn through plastic vinyl, but whatever. You know what I mean.
Glove.
Heavy.
Oh. Is that a World War II bomb in there, Andy?
Stop it.
I'm
If you don't fall in.
not going to fall in. If I end up in the water, it's because I've been pushed in.
Don't be like that.
Another bit of metal. Yeah, wash it.
I got my thumb.
That was funny.
Oh, that hurt. Very silty, I realise now why it's so heavy. It's just like ploughing the silt.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. That not so much.
It's not
Maybe the rain. Maybe the rain.
not doing so good today. What's that? Just a bit of metal.
Probably the things you used to stick in the ground and then like have wire around them.
Yeah.
Remember we caught one under the bridge once, but it was like the Y version.
Yeah, it's like a rod rest, wasn't it, that one?
Yeah. It's not that. I just got all over myself.
What, the water?
Yeah.
Oh, good shout, Andy. Well done.
Yes.
Good effort.
Oh, I tell you what.
What's that? Padlock?
Yeah. That's a padlock.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, it's locked.
No way.
I wonder if someone. That's lazy, like binning. Bloody stiff.
Yeah, that's locked. Oh well, that's cool. That's a cool find. Padlock. We haven't found a
Where's my
padlock for
bike?
ages. We've got the padlock for the bike again. Splashdown. Whee.
Always check for boats. You never know.
They do kind of creep up on you.
They're silent but deadly. Let's feed in.
Oop.
Man. Nothing but silt.
Blank. Yeah. I reckon we should just move along.
Let's keep.
And not so bad down there.
Yeah. Crazy how like literally a few feet change.
Yeah.
Right, where is it? There. There's something.
Be careful, it's not the bottom of the side.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to stay away from that. I'll tell you something. You can feel it go into the flood every time you drop it.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Told you to be careful.
Idiot.
It's a lot lower down than you normally get it stuck as well. So you have to try and yank it up a bit.
It's coming.
Oh. Bloody hell, Andy.
Where's the knot? Oh, the knot's there, so it's not far away.
There. Oh, that's properly stuck this time.
Oh. Rats.
Do you want me to give it a yank up?
What?
A yank. Nothing sinister here. Oh, Andy. Can't believe you got that stuck. Oh. Might be worth trying the foot again now.
Give it the old foot action.
There you go.
Got it. I could have threw that a lot better. We need Adri back, really. She was good at throwing. She had a good shot put.
She did have a good throw.
It's, I don't know, it got stuck in the mud, I think. I wouldn't think that was metal. You can see by the mud coming up.
Yeah, you can tell. Shows quite clear on the video, actually.
Yeah. Well, let's hope we get something.
Oh, there is something.
Just looks like a big bit of metal.
Whoa.
Don't have to go on. Ah! There we go, got it.
Cool.
Not the coolest one.
No, not really. It was like a week ago.
Key thing is not to like be too high. It's about to boom. Oh, get up. Damn stuff.
What you done?
Huh?
What was up?
Oh,
Oh, the rope went in.
Yeah. Not very deep. No, nothing of interest. Nails and stuff. To the bag. No. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, should we do the money shot? So we try and get another one. Who knows, there could only be one. It feels quite nice being stood under a bridge. It's quite comforting. It's like alfresco dining, you know? Talking crap with Andy.
I have no idea what you're talking about, mate, to be fair. The bridge was good fun for me the other day because it was raining.
For some unknown reason, I thought that was a worm because it was like the perfect shape for a worm.
It couldn't have been a worm
No, I
because you
know.
didn't freak out.
I nearly did.
Ah.
Nearly freaked out.
That's cool.
Is it though?
Well, it's better than the blanks we've been pulling up so far.
Alright, yeah. Where's that gun? Where's that? I don't think it'll be a gun. I wonder if someone just thrown like a bullet for the sake. I don't actually know how it got there. Like many things that we find, like house keys, car
Strimmers.
keys, strimmer,
Hockey sticks.
hockey. Yeah, hockey stick. Who throws away a hockey stick? What's wrong with
It is an odd one, to be fair.
Yeah, or an endless amount of pipes that we find. Like,
Yeah, we do find a lot of pipes.
People will collect this stuff, you know.
Okay.
Bigger bolts and a leaf. Cool.
And another nail.
Nothing of interest. Go. That was a decent throw.
That wasn't too bad, actually.
Yeah. I'd rate that a 10.
As long as we hit the 10-minute mark on the video, it'd be fine. Oh.
Still. We'll have to wait for it to die down again. Maybe we need the canal light to go by and turn it up. Because remember, we've got to do that.
Honestly, yeah, that is true, yeah.
You never know.
Any canal boats on the way up? Nope.
We might need to buy a boat.
No.
Well, we've got a key.
That is true.
A lock key.
A lock key, yeah, we do have one.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Something. Oh, maybe.
Maybe not then.
I don't know.
Oh, it's there. It's just.
No, there was something. Oh, I see.
What's that?
It's just a nail. You know that we normally find like bent nails?
Oh, yeah.
What are you pointing it there for? There's nothing there.
Well, I thought there was something else on there.
Cool. The splash from the first one was better, I think.
But we need to find something, Andy.
You're telling me. I'm the one that's throwing.
I know.
We found a lot. Oh, the lock's
Yeah,
interesting.
oh yeah, that's
It's
true.
'cause I think we set our bars too high. The bullet was too good.
The bullet was a good find, yeah.
The bullet was ridiculously good find.
Oh, what's that? Just a bit of metal. Oh. Ta-da.
Let's make it count. Let's do a no look. Ready?
Well.
I hope that looked good, and I hope this makes it into the video.
Oh wait, I'm not recording. Way.
I was about to get really mad at you then. I was thinking to myself, I was like, imagine if you had like 20 magnets in a row and you pulled it and it was like a rake. You'd get more stuff.
I'm not buying 20 magnets.
Yeah, how much is that going to cost us? Like £600?
It'd be like 800 quid.
Oh, nothing.
One more for luck. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Okay, another no looker. Okay, the boat. Okay, you ready?
Always ready.
Go.
I suppose you've got to make it fun. If you're not finding anything, make it fun at least.
Just feels like we're just doing. It feels like we just stood by now and just talking. We're not actually doing anything.
And throwing in a magnet for the sake of it.
Yeah. Oh, I got my hair on me. Ugh.
Oh yeah.
Look,
No, it's alright. Keep pulling up the magnet.
get off me.
God's sake. What are you playing at, man? Dum 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 dum.
Boring.
Hi all. Bit of a
I hate you all.
bit of a disappointing video this time. We found a bullet last time, but this time not so epic with the finds. We did find that padlock, which was pretty cool.
That looks pretty cool.
The padlock is pretty cool.
Because like that is, I think it's cool because it's like it's not unique, but it's better than our usual like nails and stuff.
Well, yeah, which is
Yeah.
pretty much all we found in this video, apart from the padlock.
Yeah, thank God for that. Eh?
But yeah, hopefully we'll find some more stuff the next time we're out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, we're still 50% sure, aren't we?
Yeah, I think the stats are something like 45%.
But we must thank the recent, was it White Welly magnet fishing?
Yeah, thank you for them for
Thank you for
sharing us on
promoting-
Facebook. Yeah,
promoting us because we now got
I
an
think
extra.
we've actually got quite a lot of subscribers through
We're
that.
now at 96. We're
Yeah.
at the 100 mark.
4 more for 100. So if anyone wants to subscribe, that'd be really good for us.
Yeah, make
Don't
it
forget, it is
100.
free at the end of the day. It doesn't cost a penny to subscribe.
Right then, I guess we'll call it there.
Yep.
We'll see you soon.
See you in the next one.